Hello everybody, this is Winterbrose with our tip number 3 in our tips and tricks collection for users of TaME, our material extractor for Windows. So if you're trying to build your collection of textures, you should always be ready to capture those unusual moments right when they happen. Having your cell phone with you or in your pocket or in the house close by, or having some means of, or a good camera when you're doing that. So if you're actually out of your environment, make sure you take it with you. But the thing is, sometimes when things happen, if you don't take that shot, take that chance to capture them, you might miss a golden opportunity. So we're going to show you a real live example here. As embarrassing as this picture is, this is something that really happened to me. I was trying to make what they call beer can chicken, and the thing caught on fire, and you can see how black my chicken was getting. I'd put the lid down on the grill, wasn't paying much attention, lost track of time, opened it up, and all I seen was my chicken was ablaze. And this is exactly the image I got. I ran in, grabbed my camera, I believe at the time. I don't think I had a smartphone with a good camera at the time, but I grabbed my camera and I took this shot. Like I said, as embarrassing as it is, it actually has a lot of interest in it, a lot of colors that blend and a lot of lines, and we're going to pull up TaME to show you how we can put this to use as an image to extract textures from. You can see here we pulled up TaME version 3 and we've loaded the beer can image picture into the scene. So we'll go ahead and make some quick adjustments. We'll go into the mirror mode. We're going to change our size to 256, and we'll just go ahead and you can see the flame underneath the chicken here, and there's the beer can. So what we're going to do is we can just click. Now you know the text that was printed on the beer can itself, you can see here. So what we'll do is, you may or may not want that, but you can look at these awesome colors we can pull out with in a texture just by clicking different places on this. And look at this, the rumpled skin off the chicken, which in this preview you really don't notice. You wouldn't even know that was a picture of a burnt skin on a chicken. Then we got the grill. You can see the grill underneath, and we can pull out, and you can see the coals burning in the back. Let's see. Let's just click around a few places. You can see you can really grab some really nice stuff. Now we have this at a 256, but with the mirrored seamless, you'll see down here it comes out as 512 by 512. But and then of course there's a little green in the background for the grass that's in the yard. I mean, look, if we click around, we can maybe get some different textures there. I mean, it all depends on what you're looking to get and what you're going to use them for. But we like the colors, all the variation colors in this picture. So this tip is really something that if you keep it in the back of your mind and you kind of are ready for those kind of things when they do happen, you can really improve your content library of textures that you've created that you own fully, and you can do whatever you want with them. So like we said, always be ready to capture those unusual things when they happen. We hope you've enjoyed this tip and can put it to good use. Have a great day.